So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel OG Marketing. In today's video I'm going to show you how you could go onto hosting the CPA landing pages for absolutely free right now. Because if you do actually go onto Google and search for the domain providers, you actually do see a lot of websites which you could get domains. But guys, with those websites you actually need to go onto paying some money right there, maybe about $10 right there. And if you do pay such money, you can gain access to such domains. But the strategy which I'm going to show you right here can actually get you your cool custom domains right now for absolutely free on any platform or any landing page of your choice right now. And with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. But before we do that guys, if you're actually new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of other AI tools. If you do like such content, make sure you do go onto my channel right there, scroll through my channel, and actually do go onto watching such kinds of videos because they could be helpful to you in making extra income online. And also guys, don't forget to smash the like button to this video, subscribe to the channel, and ensure notification bell is turned on all. And guys, jumping right back into today's video, we're actually going to be utilizing this particular landing page right here for you to actually go onto creating a simple custom domain for this particular landing page. And the particular website which we're actually going to be using today is this website right here called the github.com. If you do come to github.com, it's an amazing platform where you can actually do go on to getting your custom domain for absolutely free. All you actually have to do is to click on sign up, and if you do click on sign up, you can actually do go on to following the necessary sign up details to actually go on to signing up for an account right here, verify your account, verify your email address, and if you do that right now guys, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. What you want to do right now is to come onto this section which says create new repository, and if I do click on that right here, as you can see, the page is actually loading up. So guys, as you can see right here, it actually brought me to this page right now where I can actually do go on to inserting my repository name, and you want to just simply use something right here that is actually quite similar to that particular domain which you actually want to promote or which you actually want to create a custom domain for. And this is actually for something related to free TikTok followers, and I can just simply go to selecting something right here related to that. So if I do come right here and select something like TikTok, so guys, you can actually do see I selected this particular domain which is actually quite similar to my username right here, and also to this particular page which we're actually going to go on to create a custom domain for. And once you do this right here, you just want to scroll down to the bottom, click on create repository. So as you can actually do see right here, I'm brought to this page. What you want to do right now is to actually come right here, click on this upload an existing file, and if you do click on that right here guys, you want to just simply upload this particular file for this page or landing page which you want to just simply get a domain for. And I actually do have the file in on my device right now, so I'm just actually going to go on to uploading that right here on this particular platform. So right here you can see it says drag here to add them to your repository. You can actually drag additional files to add them right here. So I'm just going to click on choose your files and actually do go on to selecting that from my device right now. So guys, as you can see, I'm being shown this pop-up, and this is actually the file right here to that particular landing page. So I'm just going to click on that right there, open. And right now guys, what you want to do is to just simply highlight this entire page right here, and you want to just simply drag the contents and actually upload right here in this particular section. And as you can see right here, the uploading process has actually begun right now. I'm just going to cancel this, and you can see about 12 files right here is actually being uploaded. So once that is done, I can actually do come right here and click on commit changes. And if I do that right here guys, as you can see, it's actually processing my file. It's actually going to take some time right now, and once it's done processing my file, I can then actually do go on to using this particular landing page right here. So guys, if you do go on to waiting for like 5 minutes right now, your landing page will actually be created, and you can then just simply copy this particular link address right here. If you do copy that and go on to pasting that in a new tab right now guys, you can actually see that this page actually loaded up, and this is quite much more cool right now because a lot of people would actually go on to using this particular landing page because it actually has a custom domain right now. So you can actually do use this right now to get a simple custom domain for absolutely free for your landing page. But the thing about this platform right here is that you only do get one landing page for each account right here. So you want to just simply create an account for a single landing page right now. So another platform which you could go on to using is this platform right here called netlify.com. And if you do come up to this platform, guys, you can either sign up with the GitHub, you could sign up with GitLab, or you could actually sign up with the bot bucket. And lastly, you can go on to signing up with your email address. It's quite more advisable you sign up with your email address. Click on sign up with email, put in the email address. You want to put in the email address you want to use to sign up and actually the password right there. And if you do put in that right now, you can then just simply go on to clicking on sign up. You can then just simply create an account right here. As you can see, this is an account which I actually created right now. I'm just going to go on to filling out these personal details myself. So you can actually do see right here, I've actually created my account. Next, I'm just going to go on to uploading that particular folder which I want to just simply use for my landing page right now. So instead of actually uploading the particular content of the landing page, instead I'm just going to go on to uploading the entire folder right here for this particular platform. So if I drop that right here in this section, as you can see, the uploading process is actually in progress. I should not go on to refreshing. And once you actually do upload that right here, it's actually going to take about 5 minutes to actually go on to analyzing that particular platform. What you want to do is to just simply come onto this site set configuration while that is actually going on. So right now, guys, you just want to go on to scrolling through to this section, click on change site name, and you can see the site name is not actually nice right now, but you want to just simply go on to selecting something similar to that particular landing page which you want to just simply go on to promoting or creating a custom domain for. So I'm just going to come right here and type in something like TikTok. So if I do select something like this and I do go on to clicking on save right now, so if this is actually available, once that is actually saved right here, you can then just simply go on to copy that particular address right now, which is actually this right here. So if I copy this address right now and I actually do head onto a new tab and go on to pasting that right in there, you can actually do see right here that it actually brought me to this particular landing page. So these are actually quite cool platforms which you can actually do go on to using to create a simple custom domain for your CPA landing pages right now. And if you do this just like how I showed you right here in this video, you're actually going to create your landing page quite easy and for absolutely free right here. So I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. So see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.